Hey guys, I was gifted this really pretty bird feeder from the seller. Let's open it up and check it out and then find where I'm going to put it out in my garden. Comes with a little hooky hook. Okay. Whew. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. I love that it's got that kind of gradient color between that kind of greenish teal to this like golden color here. Got lots of little holes here for the hummingbirds to actually feed from. Okay, so, and the hook will go like so. All right, so this is a glass one. So it's actually pretty substantial. This isn't just a little plastic thing. And it's not gonna like spill through the top or anything. Nothing's gonna come in through the top. We're just gonna open from the bottom, invert it, fill it with the sugar water, close it, and put it back up like that. And it's a nice firm fit on that branch. So I really like that. Oh, it's gonna look awesome when the light's hitting it in the mornings too. Okay, now that we know where we're gonna put the bird feeder and that it fits on that branch, let's make a solution. So it's a 1 to 4 part solution. So I got 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar. Put that guy in there. Okay, sugar water. Pour it into this guy. Okay. Then, so this top guy kind of comes off a little bit, so just be careful when you're putting it on. Okay. Make sure it's nice and tight, and a quick flip. Okay, so this little garden bed is actually right next to our deck. So when the hummingbirds come to visit, I will be able to see. There we go.